Hello, this is Amina. Welcome to HW News English. The Rajya Sabha today saw yet another walkout by the opposition MPs. All this started with a face-off between Rajya Sabha chairman Jagdeep Dhankar and Samajwadi Party MP Jaya Bachchan. Now, this is not the first time but third face-off between Rajya Sabha chairman Dhankar and Jaya Bachchan. Jaya Bachchan has accused Chairman Dhankar of disrespecting her and talking to her in an unacceptable tone. She has also alleged that he used unparliamentary language and showed disrespect to women. Ms. Jaya Bachchan has demanded an apology from Vice President Dhankar over this. Let's watch the heated dialogue between Chairman Dhankar and Jaya Bachchan.
Jaya Amitabh Bachchan is the last speaker on this point. Please, ma'am.
सर, मैं जया अमिताभ बच्चन ये बोलना चाहती हूँ। मैं कलाकार हूँ, बॉडी लैंग्वेज समझती हूँ, एक्सप्रेशन समझती हूँ। और सर, मुझे माफ़ करिएगा, मगर आपका टोन जो है is not acceptable. We are colleagues, sir. You may be sitting on the chair.
Jaya ji.
And I remember when I went to school.
Jaya ji, take your seat. Jaya ji, take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Jaya, 1 second, honorable members. Honorable members. Honorable members. No. बैठिए. Honorable members. बैठिए. I know how to deal with it. बैठिए. Jaya ji, you have earned a great reputation. You have earned a great reputation. You know, an actor is subject to the director. You have not seen what I see from here. Every day, I don't want to repeat. I don't want schooling. I am a person who has gone out of the way. And you say, my tone? No, she's given to you. No, don't applaud now. No, enough of it. No, enough of it. You can't have it. You may be anybody. You may be a celebrity. You have to understand the decorum. No, nothing doing, nothing.
The opposition soon walked out from the Rajya Sabha. Chairman Dhankar has accused the opposition of trying to destabilize the nation. JP Nadda, the leader of the House, has moved a motion against Jaya Bachchan over her allegations against Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar. This face-off exploded due to bad blood between MP Ghanshyam Tiwari and LOP Mallikarjun Kharge. The opposition has alleged that Chairman Dhankar was defending Ghanshyam Tiwari of BJP. The MPs of opposition parties, including Sonia Gandhi, walked out to show support for Samajwadi Party MP Jaya Bachchan. They gathered outside the parliament. Several MPs spoke on behalf of Jaya Bachchan. Congress MP Jairam Ramesh, while talking to reporters, said that opposition MPs had been repeatedly insulted in the parliament and denied a chance to speak. Shiv Sena UBT leader Priyanka Chaturvedi, in support of Jaya Bachchan, said that she has vast parliamentary experience, more than Vice President. Jagdeep Dhankar later addressed the opposition walkout. He said that he has observed the MP's reaction on various TV channels. He added that he has no personal issues with anyone, but he is deeply hurt by language used and by the decision of the opposition MPs to go to the media for attention. The treasury benches have shown their support for Chairman Dhankar. They said that the opposition has insulted the chair. They have demanded an apology from the opposition for their walkout. Well, that's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates. Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.